Hello friends and welcome back to the ADLINK channel. So friends, today I will talk about ADLINK versatile palm size fanless mini PC. So friend, ADLINK has announced all new mini PC EMP-100 and the smallest of kind of this series, just 13 into 10.7 into 2.8 centimeter. And this fanless PC and dual 4K media player is robust and extremely versatile. It includes an Intel Celeron N6210 and J6412 processor and IoT connectivity, single GB LAN, and optional Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 module, and M.2 2280 key M for optional storage, and key E for optional Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, and two HDMI output port. And this combination plus adjustable function expansion make it truly multi-purpose. And this mini PC was developed to support sophisticated digital signage with dual 4K Ultra HD display for clear and vibrant content, an interactive kiosk, and the development of IoT and AI application in the smart retail sector, enhancing the customer experience and boosting commercial engagement. And this fanless design can be operated continuously in the board range of temperature and significantly reduce maintenance. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.